So I do 100 and 200 metres, and I've been doing that for like about a year now. It's a nice break from like the work, because it's no secret that at Oxford you have to do quite a lot of academic work, so I always look forward to sort of training at the end of the day to get me through my work in the library.
I think it's the best place to make new friends. Each society has its own unique, really supportive community. You're all motivating each other, not just in the sport, but it kind of translates to all parts of your life.
You get to know a bunch of people who are from different backgrounds, and you can socialize a lot. And also there are like really helpful people in the club that can help me with not only technique-wise with my lifting and stuff, but also like in everyday life.
I can definitely say that I highly encourage everyone to find a sport that they like. It doesn't have to be at a competition level.
You don't have to take it seriously. It can be like just doing it for some fitness, or if you want to do competitions, you can do that too. So it's good for both.
All the lecturers and all the tutors will advise you to find something to help you express yourself and calm yourself.
When I do sports, I feel I have more energy for the rest of the stuff as well. So actually, it really helps you to balance out your life.
It doesn't really matter how talented you are, what your background was before. You go there and you have the right motivation, then you have like the best time here.